Hi, and welcome back to our next episode on positive parenting. Are we really good at bringing up children and giving them the ideal environment that they deserve? Have you undergone any formal training in parenting before you actually became parents? I'm sure the answer is a big no, because we have a mindset to follow the rules of our parents for generations, and we rely a lot on them for advices. But there is another side, the modern Western concept of parenting, which focuses on treating children with equal respect and tenderness. So here in this video, we are going to see a few traditional parenting techniques that will do more harm than good to our children. It is very common as adults to use words like "you're hopeless," "you're fit for nothing," "you cannot do it," etc., while scolding or reprimanding a child. As children enter teenage, it is very natural for them to explore and create an identity for themselves. And if such children have been labeled in their childhood with these negative words, then they tend to associate these traits with their identity and struggle a lot to come out of it. Such teenagers will have a very low self-esteem. We all punish our children. Beating and punishing is very common and considered as a normal act in our society. But the fact remains that children cannot be changed through punishment. They need to be treated gently and guided in the right path. Silent treatment. Many parents use this technique of silent treatment in the hope that the child would understand their mistake by themselves. But little do they understand that this has a very big negative impact on the child, because the child thinks otherwise. The child will soon conclude that it is not good enough to be heard, seen, or even talked to. This, to a great extent, will affect the child's self-confidence. Comparison, another toxic treatment. No matter how hard you try and refrain yourself from comparing your children with others, your body language, the words you use, your facial expression will say it all. And trust me, your child too will be able to sense your disappointment in them. So as parents, it will definitely help if you can take that extra effort to identify their talent and groom them in that area. Hope these tips were useful and wishing you best of luck.